Hey fam. How you all doing? So let me make some breakfast today, and that will be egg and bread. We call it toasted bread, but this one I'm not gonna use what's it called, toaster. I'll be using frying pan and some oil to make this one. So first of all, we have to break our eggs, break it in one bowl. Then I think I'm using 3 eggs for it. Okay, so this is actually our own way of making toasted bread if you don't have a toaster. So guys, follow me. Let's make this toasted bread together today. So far, right now I'm trying to set on the fire. My frying pan is on the fire, and I'm putting some oil. And that reminds me, so many people have different ways of doing their toasted bread. So some people use I think it's butter, something like butter. Butter has different types, so they use butter to do their own. But me, I'm not gonna use butter because already I have granite oil, and there is other things that they used to add in toasted bread. They used to add sardine, some other protein. For me, what I have is my egg. That's what I'm gonna be using with some other condiments, little condiments, maggi, salt, pepper, and onions, crayfish, and all that. Some people do add shrimps, but me, I'm not gonna add all of those stuff. So right now we have to, sear the bread into two. Then put the egg, the already fried egg, in between. So from after putting the egg in between the bread, then you have to put it back to the fire and press it very well. And also make sure you press the both side of the bread.
Nothing. This one. Hey, come on. I got to do rubbish now. They kill her for this thing. Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so for context, the reason why these two students, they chase one person, but they shout, bang. First of all, they say they are doing this job. Secondly, they say the guy touched him, film woman, in and out the day. And they all those students, they gather push him. They shout, bang. And he disappointed them. And all the students of the University of Abuja, they participated in this task. In 2026, they stayed in HB. In 2026, that people don't need to listen. They got on fire.
Yeah, it's ready, guys. Ready to eat. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye.